The opening today is of the Duo wash plant that we've just installed at the Eversley Quarry. It's a 120 tonne an hour wash plant which is supplied by Duo, made by Terex, and it's a very impressive bit of kit, and it's been working today for the first time, and it's producing some very nice material.
Duo has been in the washing of aggregates business for over 30 years. We supplied a large selection of aggregate processing plants to all the large PLC companies, and we've done a lot of business now with independent companies as well, and we're working with our partner Terex Washing Systems, who we're the dealer for in England and Wales, and we're delighted to be here today for the opening of our new recycling wash plant for our Collard Ltd.
Everyone's been impressed by the modularity of the plant. This plant was set up in a very short period of time. Everything we do in the factory, the plug-and-play system, we do all the wiring, all the pipe work back in Northern Ireland, so it shortens the period of installation over here in the UK. It's the biggest wash plant we've supplied to date into a recycling application, and we're really proud and really excited to hand this plant over.
We're delighted to showcase the plant here today because this really demonstrates now that the pinnacle of technology and what we can process. We're able to demonstrate very successfully here today that even with very, very difficult feed materials, that we can consistently produce very high quality finished products.
Washing aggregates is our first attempt. It's our first time into that sort of sector, so it's going to open up a whole new avenue for our Collard Ltd to expand into aggregates. We've been doing recycling, crushed concrete dry screening materials for the last 15 years, but now the washing and segregating to make 10mm, 20mm, 40mm and two types of sharp sand is going to be a whole new opportunity for a complete new market for us.
The plant that we've put in here is 120 tonne an hour processing capability to produce 2 sands, 3 gravels, and then a full water treatment plant with a large Maytec filter press to deal with the sludge and produce dry filter cake. There's been an awful lot of thought went into the accessibility of the plant from an operator's point of view, ease of maintenance, easy to change out parts, and a lot of design and thought went into actually minimising the wear on the plants and extending the life of the plants. So again, from operation maintenance point of view, and also from the processing point of view, the type of products that we can produce, how easy it is to change those products if the customer requires it. So there's a lot of flexibility within the plants that we now supply.
The feedback's been excellent. Everyone's been very impressed by the plant, by the setup, the scalping screen in particular, the static warrior type. It's a movement away from where we were with vibrating grids.
I found Duo to be a very proactive supplier. When we were doing our negotiations and doing our deals, they were very, they gave me the complete package basically with advice. You know, they weren't there just trying to sell a one-off piece of kit. They wanted to build a relationship, and I felt a lot of confidence in choosing this. We went out to tender to 3 different manufacturers, and we chose Duo for the complete package of support, cost and production, and they ticked all the 3 boxes for us.
After a long assessment period with our Collard and the competition, we were delighted that he chose to go with us for the business. And I think by the feedback we've had here today, it's been extremely positive, and I think Robert Collard himself is delighted with the results and what we've achieved here. Today has been a very important event for both ourselves and our Collard Ltd. As I said, this is a big step for our Collard. He's made a significant investment here into both the plant, the infrastructure, and to basically future-proof his business for the next 20 years. It's going to open up a lot of markets for him in terms of, and he can now process material that he once could not process. And he's going to produce a large variety of products and basically service the market around here with a very consistent product that's available 12 months of the year.
Yeah, it's been absolutely stunning today. The open day so far has gone extremely well. We've had 100 people through the door by just by lunchtime today. So tomorrow again is going to be another busy day. We've been very blessed with the weather. The sun is out today. It's about 25 degrees out there. I think my face is getting burnt already. But yeah, it's been an exceptionally good day today.